Today we will discuss about how to install free filmmaking software for kids so you can edit and you can also create a beautiful animation and 3D animation cartoon for kids. So let's start. Which software do you use? Firstly, you have to go Play Store and search best filmmaking software for kids. So you have to see creative movie maker for kids. So click. It's that's 96 MB. So download on your phone and you can also see. You can also make a own movies and produce your creativity in that movies and change the backgrounds, and you can also add effects, special effects. You can add on YouTube to making a film for kids, and also you can do it for cartoon series and especially for kids. So use it in genuine way. So tomorrow we will discuss about another software. So please support. So use it's the latest software for kids. So use this software and also some of them who is working hard for you to make this application. Okay, it's special. You can control it to animation. It's special for kids.